Ever felt overwhelmed by a to-do list that seems to grow longer by the day? Wrike, a powerful task management tool, can be your digital savior. But how do you actually create a task in this platform? Let's dive in. Accessing Wrike. Question: have you logged into your Wrike account yet? If not, let's do that first. Steps: open your web browser. Go to the Wrike website. Enter your login credentials. Navigating to the workspace. Explanation: once logged in, you'll find yourself in your workspace. This is where all your projects and tasks live. Steps: look for the workspace section on the left sidebar. Click on the desired workspace. Creating a new task. Question: ready to create your first task? Let's do it. Steps: click on the plus button or create button in the top right corner of the screen. Select Task from the drop-down menu. Filling out task details. Explanation: now, it's time to provide information about your task. Fields. Title: give your task a clear and concise name. Description: add more details if necessary. Due date: set a deadline for the task. Assignees: assign the task to specific team members. Tags: add relevant tags for easy categorization. Priority: indicate the importance of the task. Adding attachments. Explanation: do you have any files related to the task? Attach them here. Steps: click on the Attach button. Select the files from your computer. Creating subtasks. Explanation: break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks. Steps: click on the plus button within the task details. Enter the subtask details. Saving the task. Explanation: once you've filled in all the necessary information, save the task. Steps: click on the Save button or press Enter. Customizing task appearance. Explanation: want to make your tasks look more visually appealing? Customize their appearance. Options: change colors, add icons, set custom statuses. Collaborating on tasks. Explanation: Wrike is designed for collaboration. Invite team members to work together on tasks. Steps: click on the Share button. Add the email addresses of collaborators. We've covered how to create tasks in Wrike, from basic details to advanced features. Start using Wrike today to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.